Starting today, the city is rolling out new advertisements with one big and bold message: vaccinate your kids. Toronto Public Health launching a new campaign targeting vaccine hesitancy, which is a growing health concern not just here in Toronto but worldwide. And the new initiative comes less than a month after a huge group of parents showed up here at City Hall to protest against vaccines. After backlash from a vocal group of parents against vaccines during a recent Toronto Board of Health meeting, the city's medical officer of health is pushing back with a new public education campaign dubbed Kids Talk Vaccines.
The shield protects you from other people, that has viruses or disease.
A campaign entirely from the perspective of children.
Kids have a tendency to tell it like it is, right? They shoot from the hip and they tell you exactly like it is, in a rather unfiltered way.
Officials say the children are unscripted in the video. They were asked specific questions about vaccines, but these are their answers in their own words.
The vaccine will protect you like a shield.
The videos are rolling out online, on YouTube and social media. A series of posters will appear at 165 bus shelters, as well as a number of city-run buildings like libraries and community centres, and even on big screens at Yonge and Dundas Square.
I think it's important to hear from kids themselves about what they see the issues are.
These are some of the posters that are going to be going up across the city. We asked parents for their thoughts on the campaign.
Yes, it's definitely a good initiative. Yeah, for sure.
Do you think that it'll help with hesitancy and parents who hesitate?
No. I think parents either believe in vaccinations or they don't.
Probably, because attention's always good in a way, right? It's when everyone's seeing it and reading about it.
It is very much important. Yeah. All my kids are vaccinated.
It's about time.
Less than a month ago, the city passed a polarizing motion to ask the province to consider removing philosophical and religious reasons parents can currently request to opt out of vaccinations. There has been a slow and steady increase in non-medical exemptions in Toronto and across the province.
They have no studies.
The meeting drew a crowd of anti-vaxxers to City Hall, a prime example that vaccine hesitancy is on the rise across the country. The city says 20% of Toronto parents identify as vaccine hesitant. This is just one way of getting the message across that immunization has saved more lives than any other healthcare intervention.
We are not waiting for an outbreak. We're taking action now.
Now, while that meeting was last month, the city says that this campaign has been in the works since April, and the cost to the city is minimal, just over $2,000. We've also learned that all of the kids in the videos are the children of City of Toronto employees.